Living in a big city like Chicago is an adventure. I like to go out with my friends, get work done at coffee shops, and listen to live music. In each of these places, I am surrounded by interesting people, but sometimes I struggle to find a way to break the ice and make a connection with them. T-Share breaks the ice for you. It is a shirt with a QR code on it, and you use our website to create virtual experiences that people can access when they scan your shirt. Let's check them out. Here are the options for what your t-shirt can do. You can ask someone out, start a Reddit thread, create a survey, or make a statement. This website is mobile friendly, and that is important because people interacting with this are likely going to be on the go. Let's say you want to ask someone out on a date. You select this option and then scroll down to customize. Here you have a few options, including entering your name, who you are targeting with this interaction, and what your goal is, to either get a phone number or ask on a date. And if you want to ask someone on a date, you can fill in those details. Save your options and then preview. It'll say, "Hey, human name, Andy thinks you're super cute. Would you like to watch a movie?" Then they'll select their response, say yes, and that gives them an opportunity to enter their name and phone number. Maybe we do the same thing, and then no, it wishes them farewell. If you go back to the main menu, there's an option down at the bottom of the page where you can see the different people who have submitted a form to you. I'm not going to do that because I've actually used this and it has worked, and I don't want to expose their information. That's all I'm going to show right now, but go to tshare.family and you can check out the other features which you can use to break the ice. Key for T-Share's success. For the web app to work, we need to link a user's ID to the URL on their QR code. The challenge is how to link an account to a shirt's QR code, but in a way that doesn't delay production of shirts. Right now, the user ID is generated by incrementing 1 to the previous ID value. I chose this design over a random ID since it allows me to make t-shirts in batches because I can anticipate what the next URL will be. This is better than having to start a shirt from scratch each time I get an order. However, there are two fatal flaws to this approach. One, I anticipate that adding or incrementing the user ID will create complexity at scale. And two, I can only create the QR codes beforehand because I cannot anticipate the customer's shirt size. My solution is inspired by Webkinz. Webkinz sells these stuffed animals which you can play as in a virtual world. They have a tag on their ear with a code, which you can use to link your toy to your account so that the production of toys and signups can act independent of each other. In my next iteration, t-shares will behave like Webkinz. Each t-share will have a key. When a user buys a t-share, they will enter the key into their account, and this will activate and give control over the shirt's predetermined page. The benefits